In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you're going to be fixing your Steam games not starting on Windows. So first and foremost, the most easiest way or the most easiest method to, fix this for yourself is to go over ahead to your library, choose whatever game is not working for you, go over to the game's properties, and once you come to the game's properties, come to installed files and click on verify integrity of game files. It should, not take too long. It should take only a few seconds and it verifies the integrity of the files. Now, if there is some file that does not have validation, it should fix that for you. But as you can see in this case, all my files are validated. So what you can do for more is you're basically going to be coming here. You're going to go over to your Steam's settings. Now, once you're in your Steam settings, go over to your downloads and scroll down here to clear your cache memory. Now, what that does is it removes any irrelevant spaces that are causing your Steam to not function properly. And once you've done all of this, just go ahead, restart your computer, and now your games should start up easily. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.